Good evening, children. Now we are on to the last topic of the chapter, acid, bases and salts. Lastly, we studied about the phenomena of neutralization. And I told you in neutralization what we have studied, that when an acid reacts with a base, we get salt and water. And lot of heat energy is being evolved. Here one topic was missing, which was left out. We took one topic of indicators, and I told that a common indicator which we use, that is litmus, that is being extracted from lichen. And what is lichen? Lichen is a symbiotic association of algae and fungus. So it is of two colors, red color and blue color, that we have done earlier. Acid may the change in the acid, the change in the bases. Then one more indicator is, that is phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein, this is basically a basic indicator. It is colorless in acidic solution, and whenever you add it to the basic solution, the color change is pink. So phenolphthalein is colorless in acidic solutions and pink in basic indicators, basic solutions. Now topic with the related with neutralization, that use of neutralization in our everyday life. First phenomena is indigestion. You all know that in the chapter number 2, digestion, in the stomach an acid is being given out, that is hydrochloric acid. So whenever we suffer from indigestion, sometimes we take heavy diet in the night, थोड़ा सा जंक फूड खाया, तला बना खाया, तो क्या होता है बच्चों, पेट में बहुत सारा एसिड बन जाता है. तो हम उसके लिए क्या करते हैं, वी जनरली स्विच ऑन टू, यू वुड हैव सीन इनो पीना है, डाइजीन खानी है, पुदीन हरा खाना है. तो व्हाट इज बीइंग सप्लाइड टू आवर बॉडी, वी सप्लाई बेस with these medicines, and these medicines, as they are acting against acid, so they are called as antacid. So what happens in them, these medicine contain a chemical called as magnesium hydroxide, which is also called as milk of magnesia. In the stomach we have hydrochloric acid, from outside we are supplying milk of magnesia, yani ki base, acid plus base react together, we get salt and water, and the excessive acidity is being reduced, and we are being saved from the problem of indigestion. The first use. Then the second one is ant bite. This is a name for ant, scientific name, they are called as Formosa. From the ant we take out an acid that is called as formic acid. Earlier red ants were used to make a chemical called as formic acid. Now you would have known that red ant, whenever it bites you, it stings a lot. What it is injecting a chemical called as formic acid into your body. कभी आपने मधुमक्खी के काटने पे देखा होगा, चींटी के काटने पे देखा होगा, आपके हाथों में जलन होने लगती है, क्योंकि आपकी बॉडी में कौन सा एसिड पहुंच जाता है बच्चों, फॉर्मिक एसिड. तो हम बाहर से उसके ऊपर क्या करते हैं, आपके पास सबके घर में किचन में एक चीज़ होती है जिसके नाम है खाने वाला सोडा, उसको हम बेकिंग सोडा भी कहते हैं. साइंटिफिक नेम उसका सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट. उसको लीजिए बेकिंग सोडा को, थोड़ा सा पानी मिलाइए और उस सोल्यूशन को रब कर दीजिए. नहीं तो मार्केट में एक और चीज़ आती है हमारे पास जिसका नाम है कैलेमाइन सोल्यूशन, और उसके अंदर क्या होता है, देयर इज अ केमिकल कॉल्ड एज जिंक कार्बोनेट. आप उसको अप्लाई कर दीजिए. कई बार टूथपेस्ट लगा देते हैं हम. तो ये सब चीज़ें जो भी हम लगा रहे हैं, आइदर इट इज बेकिंग सोडा, or it is zinc carbonate, or it is what I said earlier, we are applying say Colgate paste or any other paste. What you are supplying from the outside, you are supplying a base to it. Acid from the ant, base from outside, again acid and base together react, you get salt and water, problem of ant bite is reduced. Then comes soil treatment. Now you know that plant can neither grow in too acidic soil, neither the plant grow well in too basic soil. Now if the soil is too much acidic, though what do? We add it to, either we add quicklime. What is quicklime? It is calcium oxide. Or we add slaked lime to it. What is slaked lime? It is calcium hydroxide. So soil is acidic, आपने बाहर से बेच दिया, अगेन वो न्यूट्रलाइज हो गई उसकी एसिडिक प्रॉपर्टी. और अगर सॉइल ज़्यादा एसिडिक है तब आप क्या करोगे, मतलब अगर सॉइल ज़्यादा बेसिक है तब आप क्या करोगे, तब आप बाहर से उसके ऊपर कंपोस्ट डाल दोगे. नो व्हाट इज कंपोस्ट? कंपोस्ट इज द मैन्योर व्हिच यू आर पुटिंग हाउस में, जो आप बनाते हैं, ह्यूमस जिसको हम कहते हैं. तो वो डालने से क्या होगा, वो एसिड रिलीज करेगी, इट विल रिलीज एसिड. So now acid when react with the basic soil, again the phenomena of neutralization take place, acidity is being reduced and the plant can grow very well. Last application is factory waste. You all know that factory waste, whatever the effluents are being given out from the factories, they contain lot of acid. If that acidic water is being disposed of in the water bodies, it will kill phytoplanktons, it will kill plants, it will kill fishes. So it need to be reacted with the base at the source itself before disposing of into the water bodies, so that the acidic property is being neutralized at the very spot over there, and then it is being discharged into the water bodies, so that all the plants, all the animals which are found in the water bodies are being saved from getting killed. So this is the last topic, beta. So now lesson number 5 is finished. If you have any queries, you can ask. Written work we have done earlier. So for today, bye-bye.